Today's bit of Cornish is Koffi, which means... coffee. Yummy! Cornish is Koskor, which means...
It's not.
Well, some of the video. Is that the latest galaxy?
Lads?
So today's bit of Cornish is kidge, which means fuck. 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 So today's bit of Cornish is Penn-bloodh lowen, which means happy birthday, because I'm him and it's my birthday. So today's bit of Cornish is Sawrek, which means... damn! Tasty. Today's bit of Cornish is Beeb, which means... the tube. Today's bit of Cornish is Bardonieth, which means... where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cornish Joe? Poetry. Cornish is Bleujen and Gog, which means... bluebell. Today's bit of Cornish is Guiness, which means... Guinness. Today's bit of Cornish is have, which means... great throw, Brandon, yeah! Summer. Selfie vids.